Hello everyone. This quick tutorial is going to show you what you need to do to transfer from one grading term to the next. The first question is, where are all your courses for not only this term but the upcoming terms? And you can find all your courses under the Courses button when you click View All Courses. The first courses that you see are the active courses, the active production courses. What you see at the very bottom are your future courses. So if you're at a trimester school, you'll notice we're in trimester 1, and you can see trimester 2 and trimester 3 courses already. If it's a semester course, you're going to see the same thing. If you only teach year-long courses, you're not going to have any future enrollments because your course runs over the entire year. Okay, so I hope that's clear to you. Now, the first question you might need to ask yourself is, looking at my future enrollments, do I need to copy any content from my current production courses into my future? Because remember, these courses are purely a shell. There's no content in them yet, and there's no kids in them yet because they are set aside for future enrollments. So if we take a look at Coach Campo and we use him as an example, there are 3 situations with your courses. The first situation with your course is you're teaching a course right now. It is going to end or go into what we call a concluded state, but you're going to be teaching that course again this year, just in a different term. So in that case, I am going to copy the content from the trimester 1 course into the trimester 3 course, but I'm not going to publish it till I'm ready. The second condition is that I'm going to be teaching a course, trimester 1, and it is going to roll in to trimester 2. That's what's going to happen with Coach Campo's advanced wrestling and weight training course. He had it trimester 1, and it is going to continue into trimester 2. In that case, he wants to copy the content from trimester 1 into trimester 2, but make sure that he has published the course. The third condition is that you have a course and you are not going to teach it until next year. So you only teach it one term. For example, let's take perhaps a civics course. You're only going to teach civics once a year. So what you want to do with that course then is you want to copy that course content into a master course for archival purposes. And we'll talk a little bit more about a master course in just a minute. So the 3 conditions are: 1, same course, just a different term. So that means the content stays the same, but the kids change. Second condition is same course, but it's a continuation. Maybe I'm going from Spanish 1 to Spanish 2, or Biology 1 to Biology 2, and I want to continue the content. And then the third condition is I'm not going to teach that course again until next year. So what I want to do in this quick video is show you how show you the best practices for copying content so that it's quick and fast. So the first condition that I'm going to do is I'm going to copy Coach Campo's advanced football from trimester 1 into trimester 3. And he's not going to teach it till 3, so he won't publish it until that date. But he wants all the same content. So let's get started there. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click directly on your future enrollment course. Once you've opened up that course, I'm going to go ahead and close the next step window down here in the bottom because it's easier. I want to copy everything from my trimester 1 course into this course. So I am starting with my new course. I'm going to go to Settings. From Settings, on the right side, I'm going to import content into this course. From the import screen, I'm going to choose the second, or I guess it'd be the first option, Copy a Canvas Course. And then from the course that I'm going to use, I'm going to find Coach Campos' Advanced Football and Weight Training, because that's the course content I want to copy into trimester 3. I'm going to choose All Content, and I'm going to hit Import. And at this point, it is going to copy all of the content from trimester 1 into trimester 3, except for any students. So this will not have any students enrolled in it. Once the job is complete, I click back on my Home button because I want to make sure that the home page is the right page. If the home page is not correct, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Pages, View All Pages, find the file that I want to be the home page, click at the gear shift to the far right and say Use as Home Page. That's how you set this front page. So at this point, Coach Campbell is ready for trimester 3. The only thing he needs to do is hit Publish when it's time for trimester 3. So that was the action of copying a course content from this term into a future term course. So he's all ready. Now let's just follow up and do the second, or actually the third condition, which is I have a course and I'm not going to teach it until next year. We asked that all teachers make a master course because we didn't have Synergy connected at the very beginning of the summer. So many of you already under your courses have some kind of master course. In the case of Jose here, I've deleted his master course. Oh, no, I haven't. Here's an Advanced Football and Weights Training master course up here at the top. So if he was not going to teach Advanced Football and Weight Training until next year, I would want to copy all of this content into his master course. The master course will never be concluded and there will never be any student enrollments in it. So it's kind of like it's your master copy of your course. So I'm going to go to that master copy. The problem with this master copy is it already has content in it because I started using it at the beginning of the school year. In order not to have duplications of your pages, you're going to go to Settings, and from Settings on the right side, on the right side, you are going to choose Reset the Course Content. What this will do is wipe everything out of your master course that would be duplicated, and it will give you a clean environment to import the content from your current production course. So I'm going to go get Coach Campo's production course content so that he can have it for next year. So I go to Settings, just like we did earlier. I'm going to move over to the right a little bit, and I'm going to import content into this course, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to select Copy a Canvas Course. I'm going to find the course that I want to copy. In this case, it's Advanced Football, and I'm going to select all the content, and I'm going to import it. And this will give me an archive copy that I can use next year when this course is going to be taught. So that concludes this little tutorial. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, scampo@powayusd.com, and I will help you through this process. Don't panic, we'll do it together. Over and out.